Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Honor logo on the screen. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds basically. So keep holding the button. And once you see the Honor logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.